If you're looking to step up your coffee game, then listen up. My name is Kate with WTI, and I'm no coffee expert, but this pour-over coffee maker from HYAXGM sure makes me feel like one. This is the Starry blue design. The glaze is absolutely stunning. Every single coffee maker is gonna look a little bit different because of how it's made, and so it just feels unique and high-end. I really like that it's made of ceramic, so it feels solid and durable, and it really keeps the heat well as you make your coffee, which I didn't even realize was that important until I started using this. It has a 15-ounce capacity, so that's perfect for one big mug, which is what I do, or a few smaller cups if you want to share. It comes with the VO2 dripper and then 40 paper filters, so it's ready to use right out of the box. And honestly, pour over coffee is way easier than I thought it was. All you do is add your filter, you put in your coffee grounds, freshly ground is best, and then you slowly pour over the hot water, and then that's it. Your coffee is ready to go in just a couple minutes. They also have many different options, different colors, different designs. So if you want something that's really beautiful on your counter, but is still super practical, then this is an awesome pick, and that's my point of view.